If you want to transform your body, you need proper support, whether you train in the gym or outdoors, on the field or under the water. Because after exercising, your body goes through dehydration, depleted glycogen levels, and broken down muscle fibers. You need sustained muscle recovery. Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength has the perfect blend of carbohydrates and protein. Carbohydrates support the flow of amino acids to the fatigued muscles. Formulated by experts, Rebuild Strength contains whey and casein proteins. A perfect blend of these proteins helps support and build lean muscle mass. Branched-chain amino acids to rebuild muscle. L-glutamine to trigger muscle recovery. And essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for your body. Add 1 sachet of Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength to 240 ml of water. Shake well and consume within 30 minutes of your workout. It contains no artificial sweeteners, artificial flavor, added colors or preservatives. Staying fit is now even more fun with Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength that contains non-GMO ingredients and is clean of all banned substances. You can unlock the strength to work out, recover and repeat with the power of protein. So you can go out there and train without any worry. Post-workout, stop breakdown and start rebuilding with Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength.